Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ayu Haryanti. My class A2 Mathematics 2019. Here I will explain analysis about of understanding mathematical concept for class 5 student elementary school on fractional material. The first one is abstract. The research was motivated by the emergence of error in the answer of students which result in incorrect filling in the answer to the midterm test. Some students look confused when answering questions given by the teacher. This study aims 1. To analyze the ability to understanding concept through test result. 2. To analyze the ability to understanding concept through interview. The location in this study was one of the private primary school in the city of Serang. The study was conducted in November 2018 until January 2019. The research subjects were teachers and 5th grade students with a total of 19 students. Data collection technique using interview techniques, observation, tests, and then the data are analyzed by qualitative data analysis techniques. Based on the result of interview, observation, and tests are now that understanding student mathematical concept is still low. Introduction. One of the objectives of learning mathematics in the 2013 curriculum is to have factual and conceptual abilities in science. This means that students must develop of ability to understand concepts, excel in learning mathematics or of learning. Mawadah 2016-77 states that students must have the ability to understand concepts so that students can apply concepts appropriately and efficiently in the mathematical learning process. NCTM 1989 details the indicator of mathematical understanding, namely 1. Defining concept verbally and in writing. 2. Identify and create example and non-example. 3. Using model, diagram, and symbol to represent a concept. 4. Changing one from form of representation to another form of representation. 5. Recognize the various meaning and interpretation of concept. 6. Identify the property of a concept and recognize the condition that determine a concept. And 7. Conferring and differentiating concept. Research method. The method goes in this research in descriptive qualitative method. The reason for choosing the qualitative method is because this study describes right or spoke word from people and observable behavior and seeks to explore in depth the central phenomena of understanding the concept of friendship in 5 years grade elementary school student. Here it is research result and discussion. You can read it yourself. This is table 1, students' ability to understand mathematical concept. Based on table 1 above, it is known that students are able to restate a concept with sufficient category by 45%. Students classify objects according to their nature with less category by 35%. Students are able to give example and not example with less category by 30%. and then you can read it yourself, so that understanding and mastering a material of concept is a prerequisite for mastering the next materials. And then this is conclusion and suggestion. Based on the above study, it can be concluded that the result of the observation show that students are still confused when solving questions that are different from the teacher example, and based on the test result, it is known that student low conceptual understanding need to be improved. In addition, based on the result of interview, it is known that students are only able to master the indicator of understanding the concept of registering a concept and classifying object based on the concept. So that's the analysis I can explain. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.